Good evening, parents. And it is now after school, and I wanted to just come on and talk about what the rest of the week is going to look like and what we're going to look today. So my focus for today and tomorrow is to ensure that everyone has access to all of the platforms that we will be using: ISL, AZ, Seesaw, and Google Classroom. We will also use IRA. We're not going to use all of them at the same time every day. Some will only be used once a week. A Seesaw will be used every day, and ordinarily AZ will be used every day. So once the students were able to, once I loaded all of the apps if they weren't already there, I went ahead and downloaded those apps, and then I had them to log into Seesaw so that they can see the activities that's out there. Right now, there's two activities. There's a math, and then there's a get to know me, where they just draw a picture of themselves and introduce themselves. So we're just doing live activities this week, just so that the kids can get familiar with using the platforms. With A to Z, once students actually logged in, I did send their passwords home in a parent letter if they came to school today, and I also sent it out an email to those students that have not been to school at all since we started. Those of you that are in Group A, you will receive your letter tomorrow if you log in to go ahead and log into A to Z. And then you will go to Head Sprout. The students went to Head Sprout today. They did a placement test, and then after they did the placement test to see where they are academically, then they started to do one or two of the activities in Head Sprout. So pretty much that's what we're going to be focusing on this week. There may be a couple of other activities, but it won't be that many. We won't actually start teaching until next week, preferably or hopefully that the cameras will be up and running. But for this week, we're logging, making sure that all of the platforms are loaded to the device. So please bring your device every day. From here on out, we are going to be using our devices in class. So please bring your device every day to class. Group A and Group B. We will be working on the platforms this week just to make sure that they are familiar with it. So those same activities that we're doing in class, those that are at home, I also do those same activities and then turn them in. So while you're at home, these are the activities classified as your homework. It's not official homework, but it is what you do at home since you're not in school. We're also doing assessments. We did our ELA, our school ELA diagnostic test, and for Group B, Group A will prepare on tomorrow. We will have to find out how we are going to get those that are 100% online to get to do theirs, because we cannot put them on Seesaw or have them take the test while they're at home. So I don't know how that administration is going to work that out, but I will get back with you pertaining to that. Pretty much that's all we've been doing. We will continue to work. Next week we will go straight into learning and hope that the kids really enjoy working in the platforms. They seem to enjoy it today, even though they didn't get as much time as we wanted because I had to load the information on. But I thank you for your time. I will be sending videos maybe once a week just to give some insight on what we're doing in class. So I hope you have a great evening. Group A, I'll see you tomorrow.